Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back after so many days. I know I have not been active lately, but from now onwards I'll try to be active. So in today's video we'll learn a 30 centimeter fashion figure, you can say, or it is also known as 12 head figure in fashion illustration. It is basically a basic crocus. Like in my previous video I have shown a basic crocus of 10 inch, right? So this will be of 12 inch, or you can say 30 centimeter, or you can say 12 head figure. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So as you can see, I have already made the 3 lines, and from 0 to 12 you can take a metal scale or a white scale and mark from 0 to 12 and draw the line. These will be the horizontal lines which will have 1 inch 1 inch of length. You can say one head will be equal to 1 inch. So like this you need to make 2 boxes each for all the vertical lines. So here we have 3 basic lines, 3 horizontal lines and vertical lines as well. So for more vertical lines, like for head, chin and wrist part, we again need to take horizontal measurements. That will be from 1 inch. For the head, this will be the head position. So after 1, you have to take the measurement of 1.2. Just keep here, 1.2 will be here. Just mark as 1.2. Then same, take the measurement of 1.3 and 1.5. 1.3, 1.5. This will for this will be our head and neck region, like head, chin, neck and shoulders. These 4 stuff will come in the first 2 boxes. Then for the waist part, after means below the third line, third one, you have to make 3.5, mark 3.5 inch and give the vertical line as well. Same for 4th, like on the 4th part will be our hand. So here the hand will come, seat will come and the wrist will come. So this will be the hand position, and from here take 4.2 for wrist position and 4.5 for hand. Same after the 6th position, like this will be the knee part, or you can say the lower part of the body. So for the knee part, after the 6th, mark 6.5 of centimeter. Join all these lines. So as you can see, we have finished our vertical lines part. Now it's time for our horizontal lines, like horizontal measurements. So for the head it will be 0.25, for the neck it will be 0.2, for shoulder 0.5, waist 0.5. These are all the inches or measurements we need to take for our basic mechanical 30 centimeter or 12 inch crocus. So keep so for this, keep the measurements like this, and our head measurement, as you can see, our head measurement is 0.25. So from this we need to take 0.25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be our 0.25, and same on the other side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are our head. Now going for chin, and our chin measurement is 0.2. The chin will rest at 1.2 measurement. As you can see here, we will take the measurement here 1.2. So take the same inches 0.2 0.2 on both the sides. 1 2. This is 1 2. This is our chin. And now for our neck measurement is 0.2. same. Go on the line of 1.2. Take the same 0.2 0.2. Now for our shoulder part. Shoulder is 0.75. So on the line of 1.5 for the shoulder measurements, it will be 0.75. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This 1 2 3 4 5 6. This will be our measurement. Same on the right side as well. 1 2 3 4 5 7. So these are our shoulders. This will be the chin, neck, so our next measurement will be of waist. For waist we'll take from 3.5. Same, all the techniques which we are taking of 0.2 or shoulder waist parts, all will be the same. Which the measurement which you take on the left should be same on the right as well, so that you get a symmetrical and same on both the sides. So our waist will be 0.5. This is 0.5. This is 0.5. This is our waist. Now for the seat part. Seat part is basically the position where you sit. So for that we have a measurement of 0.72. Let's take, and you should take that measurement on 4.25. This will be 0.72. 2 3 4 5 6 7. This will be 7 5 6 7. This is 5 6 7. This is our seat. Next will be our wrist part, that is 0.2, and that will be on 4.5. 0.2. This is here 0.2. Now going on the knee part. Knee, this is the basic knowledge which you should know, that knee will come at 6 or below 6. It should not be above 6 or near 5 in 12 head figure. So on 6.5 our knee has the measurement of 0.25. So let's take it. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This will be our knee position. This is knee. This is calf. Calf is of 0.3. Let's take it. 0.3. 1 2 3 here. 1 2 3 here. Now our ankle position. Ankle will be 0.2 and feet will be 0.3. Now ankle will come at 11th part. Ankle will be on 11th and feet will be on 12th. So ankle measurement is 0.2, 12 and feet measurement is 0.3. It's it's good if you take, or if you make all the measurements on dots first and then join all the dots. So let's join this and see what we get as a structure. Now from the shoulder you need to take directly on the waist side. Join this dot to this waist. This is here, and this will be our seat position. So let's go like this and like this, and from the seat position we need to go to knee. This is our knee, and we need to join to the calf. Calf will be a little bit out, and now join it till the ankle. And on the ankle part, go a little bit out, and for this first make a V, inverted V in the middle part and join this. So our feet is ready. This is our basic structure. Now we'll go for the hands. For the hands we need to take from shoulder till 4. So let's keep it till 4. Hand is here on both sides, and just go a little bit out and come till here. This is a free hand one for the hand which we'll do. And now our wrist part was 0.2, right? So we will take that. We will take that 0.2 here and here and join it on the above. Do the same on the other side as well, and just come out, make a U and join this. This will be our thumb. So here, this is our basic 30 centimeter or 12 head figure. It is called 12 head because on everything it will come. See, this is our first head, then from 1 to 2 this will be our second head, then from 2 to 3 this will be our third head. So like this it will come till 12. So guys, after watching this tutorial, I'm sure you guys must feel easy now to make this. I'm sure at first it will be a little bit tricky because knowing these measurements and remembering them is a bit hectic, but once you are done with these measurements, it will be a piece of cake for you guys. So I have decided कि in our further videos I'll make the flesh figure in the same structure, followed by the head structure and the eye structure as well, and later on we'll add the dress designs on it. So for those video notification, press the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, and You guys can also visit me on my Instagram page, that will be present, the link will be present in the description box. You guys can stay connected with me on Instagram to my day-to-day life. And if you have any questions or queries or want to discuss something, you all can message me, DM me as well. I'll be very much happy to reply all your DMs. So till my next video, keep practicing, keep enjoying, stay safe, and see you in my next video.